everyone, I'm Daisy from Balloon Daisy Clown. Today we are making summer balloon animals for beginners. We've already made a snail, a butterfly, flower and a ladybug bracelet. And today I'll show you step by step how to make a Pea Pod out of just one long balloon. Let's go! First, let's make the pod. Twist a pinch twist. Then a bubble about 8 fingers long. Make another pinch twist and another 8-finger bubble. Wrap the balloon around the pinch twist. Now twist one more 8-finger bubble and wrap it around the pinch twist. And one more time, twist the bubble and wrap it. Now let's make the piece. Twist 3 small bubbles and wrap them around the pinch twist to secure them. If there is any balloon left, deflate it and tie a knot. Final touches. Use a permanent marker to draw funny faces on the piece. Easy and simple, do it yourself. Subscribe and write to us. Yours Daisy. See you soon. Bye.